Right. So welcome to Agile and Jira section. As I said, this section learning is very important because most of the current software projects are working in this combination. Okay. So by end of this section, you will be knowing what are your day-to-day roles and responsibilities in Agile Scrum projects, and you will also know how to use Jira tool for project management and its related activities. So when I say project management, it's about creating stories, managing them, and there are many things. Okay, right now you have no idea about all these terminologies, right? When I say creating stories, so everything you will be learning as part of this section. So I'm going to teach all this with a combination of explaining what is Agile Scrum and what is the pattern we follow when we have this framework in our project, and how do we use the Jira tool to apply this Scrum process successfully. Okay, so I am going to explain you both in the combination, and I'm pretty sure by end of this section you will be mastered in using the Jira tool for agile projects. Okay, so this is very important to every software engineer. So that's why I put here tester/developer. Okay, no matter what software engineer role you are in, if you are in this agile project, you have to know all this. And in current days, almost 90% of the projects are in agile framework. Okay, so everyone are moving from waterfall to agile, so it's very important to have knowledge on all these tools and process. Okay, so to explain this, we will assume that we are developing one project from scratch. Okay, let's say that we are working to develop credit card online banking application, right? So by assuming that we are developing this online banking application, I'll go and demonstrate this all the topics. Okay, right? Now when I say I'm going to develop credit card online banking application, we have three features what we need to implement as part of this project. Okay, one is develop login module. So when I say login module, basically user have to enter their details to log in into this online banking application. So we have to develop login screen with all username, password, header, footer, sign in, forgot your password link, all that functionality. Okay, basically that's the one feature. So when we are developing a new project, right, so business people will come up with some features what we need to develop as part of this project. So this is straightforward, right? You have a basic idea like what to develop in login page, right? So this is like credit card dashboard. So once you log in, you will see the balances in your card and how much you have to pay, what is the minimum statement, and by when you have to pay, and any rewards where you can redeem, right? Some basic details. And then some tabs on the header, like where you can click on profile and change your email address, change your password, change your mailing address, and push some alerts to get when there is a transaction, profile related page. So for now we are given a project by our business, right, and we were asked to develop these three new features. Now our duty is to decide what to go in the each feature, how to develop, what is the strategy to develop, how we have to use effectively our agile team to implement these features, and how we have to use Jira tool to manage all these project related activities, and then finally how we have to deploy this product. That's all. It's our duty to decide. Business only will give you the what are the features I need. Just provide a login, show the credit card balances, and then show a profile where they can update their details. That is the base one what we have to come up with, right? So keeping in this mind, let's start and implement a process to finish this project end to end. Okay, so In this way you will know what's happening in real time when you get some project. So much of people here are willing to get into software industry, but still they do not know how real time work will actually look like. So they will learn some automation tools, they will learn some development tools like Angular to get into the project, but no one will really explain what happens when you go into the project apart from tools. Okay, what is the process it will really happen when you want to develop a project, and how do we use these tools to track complete project. So this knowledge is basic and necessary to every software engineer. Okay, so if you fail to explain this process to interviewer, he will easily guess that you have a fake experience. Okay, so we have to make sure we have real-time exposure on all this process. So that's the main agenda to bring this topic before you. All right, so in the next lecture, let's start first with installing this Jira tool in our machines, and then we will take it from there. Okay, thank you guys.